Anda masih di Indonesia Morning Show. Kali ini kita tidak hanya berdua saja, meskipun frame-nya baru berdua kan. Ada satu cowok ganteng, kece, bisa nyanyi.
Banget.
Banget, kamu bangetnya gitu sih.
Banget, tapi sayang bahasa Indonesia nggak terlalu lancar ya kan.
Iya, jadi dia nggak ngerti apa yang kita omongin. Ya.
Nggak apa-apa. Makanya dia senyum-senyum aja di samping kita.
Christian Bautista, hello, good
Hello.
morning.
Hi, good
Good
morning.
morning. How are
Great
you?
to be here. I'm so happy to be here with you, with two
great.
beautiful women in the morning.
Thank you.
Oh, bener
It's
ya
a dream
ternyata
come
dimodusin.
true.
Nah, ya.
How is life, by the way?
Life is good. Lots of good things happening. I'm here for a show next month, June 23, working on a new album. And right now in this season, I'm trying to spend more time also with family and friends, trying to balance everything. I think that's the way to go.
Right,
It's
tell us
not
about
all
the concert.
Okay, well, the concert is at FX Mall on June 23.
Yes.
I'm going to be singing, of course, old hits and
Yes.
then new hits. And hopefully people can go. Hopefully if
Yes.
you guys are free.
Yes, absolutely. June
23.
20,
23rd.
okay,
Yes,
June
23rd.
23rd. So
That's
are
right.
you going to be like interacting with the audience then?
Yeah.
I mean, is there going to be a meet and greet, some sort?
I believe so, yes. You know,
Alright.
I miss Indonesia and I'm glad I'm back.
Yes, you've been back like a lot, man.
Yes,
times.
so it's good to be back, and I'm working on a new album as well.
Right.
I can't say who, what, when yet, but it's going to be a
Okay.
surprise.
Silakan, saya langsung translate.
Ditranslate. Oke, dia akan mengadakan konser, mini konser tanggal 23 Juni. Nanti diharapkan ada juga meet and greet katanya. Katanya sih kita diundang, tapi nggak tahu juga diundangnya lewat mana gitu ya. Tapi kemudian dia akan promosi lagu-lagu terbarunya dan juga album terbarunya, dan album terbarunya ini yang kita penasaran.
Yes.
So the new album,
Yes.
is it going to be in bahasa?
It's going to be in Bahasa, yes.
Wow.
So I'm kind of nervous and excited also about that. I hope they like it as much as my last Bahasa duet with Bunga Citra Lestari.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a challenge, but I hope you guys like it.
Why is it a challenge, do you think?
Well, it's singing another language, and sometimes it's not just about saying it properly, but meaning it,
Yes.
hearing the connection. Sometimes you hear a song and then you don't really feel it.
Yeah.
Yes. About your duet with Bunga Citra Lestari, do you understand the
Yes, 'cause-
meaning of the song?
Yes, it came from an English Filipino song, Be Careful With My Heart. So it's sort of like a mini translation.
Iya.
I see.
Jadi Christian Bautista ini nantinya akan bikin sebuah album begitu ya, album baru, dan album baru ini semuanya ini nanti akan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Memang ini bukan merupakan proyek pertama Christian Bautista menyanyikan lagu bahasa Indonesia, karena dulunya udah pernah juga kolaborasi sama Bunga Citra Lestari, tapi itu merupakan suatu tantangan bagi dia. Kenapa tantangan? Karena kalau misalnya dia itu nyanyi, ya dia itu harus ngerti banget apa yang dia nyanyiin. Jadi soul-nya tuh kayak nyambung gitu ya kan, Chanas?
Betul, keluar begitu kan.
Yes.
Nah, kalau gitu kita penasaran sih sebenarnya Christian tuh sebenarnya ngerti nggak ya apa yang kita omongin? Do you understand a little about what we are saying about
I understood
you?
that,
You understood it?
yeah.
Little.
I recorded it, I'll Google Translate it later.
But you've been coming to Indonesia a lot, so you should speak a little bit of bahasa.
Yeah,
no?
sedikit banget.
Sedikit banget.
Yes, small little
Like
things.
terima kasih.
Like terima kasih. Aku suka kamu,
Aku cinta kamu.
Aku cinta kamu as well. All those.
When you go
Lovely
to
stuff.
a restaurant, do you understand how to order in
It's
bahasa?
simple, like berapa,
okay.
Simple, just simple stuff.
Nasi
Yeah.
goreng?
Nasi goreng, favorite. Sate ayam. Just ate it last night.
Just I saw your Twitter.
That's right. Yes, I love it. Love those stuff. So buntut, tulang, excellent.
But there are similarities between Tagalog and
Yeah.
Indonesian, no?
We came from you. We are one race.
Iya,
The
iya.
Malay race.
Iya, benar.
I learned that when I was in high school.
Ah, ah.
So maybe just my ancestors just used their boats to go to, but we all, we all look the same. We all have the same. Even our music.
Yeah?
We love melodies.
Yes.
We love romance.
Yeah.
There's lots of similarities.
What about the words? Are there similar words?
Yes, like kanan is the same, mahal is
kanan.
the same,
Mahal.
pagong is the same,
Panggung.
pangong or pagong is the same, payong is the same.
Oh,
Yeah, there's a little bit.
I
Oh,
see.
So I think that's why it's sort of easier for me to learn
To learn bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah.
Makanya itu Christian Bautista bikin album baru dalam bahasa Indonesia itu karena memang ada banyak sekali kesamaan ya antara bahasa Tagalog dari secara pronunciation dan beberapa kata juga dengan bahasa Indonesia itu.
Yato.
Yato.
Do you understand Yato?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
No, you don't understand it. But I'm curious about the music in Indonesia. Why Indonesia? Why did you choose to produce your album in
Indonesia
Indonesia?
chose me, so that's
Really?
in the beginning, you know. I mean,
Yes.
2006. There was a song here, the one I sang a while ago, "The Way You Look at Me," and I was just wondering, wow, how could this song make it in this country? And then I went there, and everyone was singing the song in 2006, and then I came here every month, every year, and
Yeah.
then up to now I've been here. So
Are you
now
gonna
I fell
move?
in love with it.
Are you thinking of moving to Indonesia?
Maybe if I find a wife, I will.
Really?
I heard that you have a girlfriend, right?
No, not now.
No?
Oh,
Not yet?
Not
Not
yet.
Oh, I see.
Speaking of which, we have some pictures of your theater performances
Yes.
that you just did. Could you tell us a little about this?
Okay, well, I'm in love with the theater, with the
Yeah.
stage, actually more than concerts and stuff, because I started there. And last month, I did the musical called Ghost. I don't know
Yeah.
if you're familiar with the movie, Patrick Swayze,
Yes.
Demi Moore.
Yes.
that one.
1990.
Oh, my love. That one. Everyone knows that, right?
Yeah.
So I did that last month, and it was the best role I've ever done. A few months ago, I was Prince Charming for the musical Cinderella.
Yes.
And yeah, so it's a part of my life.
Okay.
Musicals. How is the musical scene here in Indonesia?
It's pretty good, actually. I mean, it's improving, especially since Joko Anwar's On Rock, that was just critically
Oh, heard
acclaimed. It
about
was,
that,
yeah, you should, well,
But it's all in Bahasa.
it's all
right?
in Bahasa,
Yes,
but it's so
Indonesia.
funny. By the way, jadi Christian ini tuh selain menyanyi juga dia tuh sangat aktif sekali di dunia teater. Karena ternyata Christian itu sebelum memasuki dunia musik itu dia sudah main teater. Dan proyek terbarunya adalah foto-foto yang tadi sudah kita perlihatkan kepada Anda. Jadi itu adalah sebuah produksi musikal teater Goose. Bagi Anda yang sudah familiar dengan film Goose yang Oh My Love.
Patrick Swayze. Dan Demi Moore ya, harus ada Demi Moore.
Iya, harus ada
yes,
Demi Moore.
it's that hair.
Itu.
Oke, dan kita juga bingung gitu ya kalau misalnya ngomongin mengenai musikalitas Indonesia gitu. Musikalitas Indonesia kan kita tahu juga banyak banget artis-artis yang oke. Dan kalau kita bicara mengenai artis, penasaran nggak sih siapa sebenarnya artis Indonesia yang paling Christian Bautista gandrungi gitu? Do you have your idol in Indonesia, your musical idol?
Oh, you know what? Right now, I'm just very glad that I can work with musical idols. Right now, before, a few years ago, I actually sang with Kristayanti, Titi DJ in one show.
Wow.
Yeah, so that was amazing.
They're divas.
Yeah, I know. And I'm just so happy and blessed also to work with Andy Rianto and Erwin Gutawa.
Oh,
So a lot of influences. So hopefully I would like to discover new idols as well.
I see.
Yeah.
So
Who do you
new
want to work
influences.
with now?
Oh.
You dream like, oh my God, you're so
well,
cool.
I am gonna work with them
Oh.
soon.
Oh.
So I can't say it yet for now.
But
I
jangan
will come
sedikit.
back. I'll come back. And then
Okay.
I'll let you know.
Baiklah.
All right, so what your new album is going to be in bahasa, right? Jadi album barunya Christian ini akan dalam bahasa Indonesia. What is it going to be about? Is it still going to be love? Is it sweet love? Because love is so generic.
Love is a many splendid thing.
Oh, yes. Nat King Cole says
All
that.
you need is love. All you need is love. Well, there are many facets of love, right?
Yes.
Yes, I'm generally a balladeer, that's what they call me. So I like singing about love. But yeah, you're right. I mean, in this album, I want to showcase its different aspects. It can be unrequited love. It could be the beginning of love. It could be the ending of love. It could be the distractions of love. It can.
The
there's so many
distraction
things.
of love.
Yeah, sometimes love just blinds you from reality. Sometimes, no, really. Sometimes you're just so full of emotion
Yeah.
that you just can't see what's in front of you. Sometimes,
That's true.
right? So,
Yeah.
did you see this post on Facebook that
Yes.
the brain is telling the heart,
Yeah.
"You never learn." You know? So the heart's like full of like bruises because it's just sometimes it's emotion. So sometimes you just gotta balance these things.
But you will never give it up, no?
Huh?
You will never give up
Well,
love.
of course, if you find your true love, right, then you fight for it with all you have.
Jadi tentang
Oke,
cinta ya album
tentang
barunya
cinta
nanti.
masih pasti membuat wanita-wanita juga kelepek-kelepek. Is there going to be any surprises in the new album?
Yes. Yeah, surprise! That
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Well, surprises. Yes, collaborations, and it's gonna be bahasa. It's gonna have music that touches the Indonesian soul.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm interested in one thing. What is love to you?
Oh, okay. Well, yes, love is patient, love is kind, does not envy, it does not boast, it is not self-seeking, it is not proud, not rude. Love never fails.
Is that
Right.
from the Bible?
Yes, it is.
Oh,
That's the verse from the Bible.
there we
That's
go.
what love is for me.
Oke, jadi itu tadi kita barusan bicara cinta dengan Christian Bautista. Dia mengatakan bahwa album barunya pakai bahasa Indonesia ini nanti akan membahas cinta secara keseluruhan. Ada yang cinta tidak terbalas,
Betul.
ada yang cinta yang bikin kita jadi galau gitu, nggak tahu mau ngapain gimana.
Ada yang broken heart juga ya.
broken hearted, ada yang awalnya cinta, ada yang akhir dari cinta, semuanya ya.
Pokoknya semuanya kalau Anda suka cinta ya suka lah ya, cinta siapa yang nggak suka. Pokoknya berarti memang harus didengarkan nih Christian Bautista. Dan juga tadi dia bicara sedikit mengenai arti cinta. Arti cinta untuk dia adalah kasih itu tidak
Kasih itu baik, tidak
Tuh.
menyakiti.
Iya, tidak menyakiti. Aku tuh mencoba mengingat apa yang ada di Alkitab itu loh, karena itu ternyata verse dari Alkitab.
Iya.
Oke.
They're good
Selanjutnya.
translators.
Oh, thank
Yeah,
you.
you could get a job in the UN. I
Oh,
believe, both
thank
of you.
you. Alrighty.
Oh, oke.